Hey y'all, I was asked for a tutorial on ears and how they work. So I'm going to show you a couple of things on how my Mickey Mouse ears are put on a headband. So each ear has holes in the mold, and I use those holes to lace the ear onto a headband and then cover up my work. So if the ears are to be dropped, it's not just like glue that will let go. These are truly anchored. Doesn't matter how much, you flex the headband. These are not going anywhere. And these ears I poured a layer of clear and then I put in my baby Yoda. And this is actually just I printed it on my computer and then encased it in packing tape, and you can see a little bit the packing tape laminate in there. And then after that I poured my colored layer, and you can kind of see that the clear gave the colored area more depth, because the colored layer is actually what leveled out the clear. And then the back is, kind of galaxy with hollow glitter and little glitter stars. But I wanted to show you, this is my latest ear, and it's a kitty cat ear my daughter requested. And I think I'm going to put this on this headband. And I just wanted to show you that there's more than one way to anchor the ears. So you could lace them with twine like I did the other ones, or if that's not your gig, or you don't have twine, you can even go so far as zip ties, to just zip tie your ear onto your headband and then cut off your tails. Look, it's installed. It's on there. It's not coming off. Or if you have it on hand, you can also use ribbon. And this is just a in-out, what's called a whip stitch. And that will also anchor your ear. You just tie it onto your headband and then tie it off. So there you go. 2 different ways to anchor your ears. And I will finish these out and I'll be back. Okay, I wanted to show you, I have chosen to anchor this set with zip ties, and my daughter picked out these ribbons, and I'm going to come in and cover up my hardware and my work. I'm using a low temp glue gun, just because I've personally been badly burned by a high temp gun before, so I'm more comfortable with a low temp gun for things that I'm holding with my hands. So I'm going to put a little glue and put this ribbon in place, and then I'm going to flip around to the back side and do the same. Here they are, all finished. So this is the kitty cat ears. Let's see, this makes, yeah. And I just wrap the ribbon around to the back and hot glue it into place, and then this will hang down the back of her head while she's wearing them. And I deliberately wanted to leave this part uncovered so that her hair can pull back over that. Unlike the last set of mouse ears that I did, I really wanted the wider headband, and I thought that that needed to be covered up. And you can see this was laced with twine, and this one I actually did do with zip ties. And there they are. Super easy. Happy crafting!